If you're tired of those constant OneDrive pop-ups breaking your focus, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable notifications for OneDrive on your desktop. By the end, you'll have complete control over what OneDrive tells you, no more surprise alerts, just a quieter, more productive screen. Let's dive straight in. We'll cover two straightforward methods so you can pick whatever works best for you, whether you want fine-tuned control or just want all OneDrive notifications gone in one shot. Starting with method 1, which gives you more granular control. First, you need to access the OneDrive settings themselves. Look down at the bottom right of your screen. You should see a little white cloud icon sitting in your taskbar's notification area. Sometimes it hides. If that's the case, just hit that upward arrow to reveal any hidden icons, like you're opening a secret drawer. Once you see the OneDrive cloud, right-click on it. This little trick takes you straight to everything important about OneDrive. Now you'll see an option that looks like a gear or says Settings. Give that a click, and then choose Settings again from the menu. Sometimes these menus can feel a bit repetitive, so just make sure you look for the actual word Settings or the familiar gear icon. It's always there. With the Settings window open, let your eyes wander over to the tabs running across the top. You're looking for Notifications. In some versions, you'll find these options under Account, Sync and Backup, or a similar label, but Notifications is usually front and center. Once you're in the right spot, you'll see a list of possible notifications OneDrive might send you. This is where you get to play Notification Traffic Controller. Want to block file change alerts but keep storage warnings just in case. Simply uncheck the boxes for the types you don't want. For example, if you're tired of OneDrive telling you every time a file gets synced, just turn that off. Think of it like tuning a radio. Keep what matters, cut the static. Take your time here. It only takes a few moments, but it really lets you personalize your OneDrive experience. If you want to go nuclear, or you're just in a hurry, method 2 is quicker and turns off almost everything at once. For this, you're jumping into your Windows system settings. Press the Windows key and the letter I together, or you can right-click the Start button and select Settings, whichever feels easier for you. Inside the Settings window, click on System, then look for Notifications. Sometimes it's called Notifications and Actions, depending on your Windows version, but you'll spot it. This area is your one-stop shop for all system notifications, not just OneDrive. Now scroll through the list called Get Notifications from these senders. Here, you'll see every app with permission to send you alerts. Go ahead and find Microsoft OneDrive. Once you spot it, click on it. You'll see a big main switch. Toggle this to off if you want to silence all OneDrive notifications from Windows at once. Alternatively, if you just want to mute the banner pop-ups or the notification sounds, you can adjust those individually here. No more interruptions while you work, game, or watch videos, and that's it. Whether you want pinpoint accuracy with OneDrive's own controls or a global mute from Windows, you're now the boss of your desktop notifications. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into trouble, just drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this. Thanks for watching and enjoy your quieter desktop.